Sam from Wonderfully Made Kids Homeschool. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a stop-motion adoption poster for a cat named Laura. As you can see, it's already here, so I'm just gonna duplicate this so I could animate so I can have a timer at this page. Well, this will be my poster, so I'm gonna make it 10 seconds at least. And then here, this is where I'm gonna animate. First of all, I need to get things ready, flip this guy, and also edit image so I can delete his background, because he'll be a walking cat. And delete this. Then I'm gonna arrange this too by making this smaller, putting it here. Also making this bold so it's much more seeable. Maybe I'm gonna make a say, so maybe never mind. Now I'm gonna put a city. Here. This is a good one. So I'm gonna put this cat right here. So I did need the shapes. So I got this thingamajig. I'm gonna make this white. I'm gonna lessen the square's transparency so this thing can be more readable. This right there, make sure it's in there. Now I can put this Laura on the top. And make sure you can see that that pink line, because it shows you that it's straight. Now I may start. I will now duplicate it. I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna duplicate it, and I move it, and so on. So what I'm gonna do is make it like travel from one place to another, like in the desert and like the forest, even maybe in the jungle or the winter place. I'm just gonna put 2, cold and hot, because it'll be a bit too long if I put a bit too many places for this cat. Maybe city, desert, and Antarctica will do. As you can see, this won't be that smooth because I'm making a bit too big movements, but it doesn't matter much. Sorry, this might take too long. So, almost finished. Come on, little cat. Almost there. Get this finished. And I'm gonna duplicate the page and I'm gonna X the background. Just gonna put that there. Then I'm gonna find a desert. Well, this is mostly animated. This will do. There. I replaced the background. And I don't. Never mind. Now I'm gonna make him do the whole cycle again. Duplicate. 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 No, duplicate. Duplicate. No, I isn't it working? Duplicate. 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 The cat is having a long journey to find its forever home. Maybe just the desert will be fine because, boy, I'm gonna do a lot of stop motion. Come on, almost there. Yay! Then I'm gonna use this thing. Well, maybe I can there and blink. I'm gonna control C, control T. We need to press it out. Yay! Copy. Paste. Yay. Yes, I'm gonna move this so it doesn't cover up his beautiful face. Where should I put it? Maybe here. His name right. Speech bubble. Now I'm gonna find a speech bubble. Oh no, what am I doing? I'm gonna put this one. I'm gonna make that white because that's what the speech bubble. Make it a little smaller. I'm gonna make it say help me find my forever home. Oh yeah, oh. I'm gonna make everything bigger so it's more readable. There. It's done. I'm gonna choose the animation for this page. Let me see that. See them? I really like block though.
I'm thinking you could put the pause Yeah, but you can make this actually bigger and pause here at the bottom. And all that bigger. Yeah. Move it to the right. Move it to the right. There, you have the space now. That's switch bubble. And everything bigger. So that now you can see better, right?
Yes. There.
Then just move the pause. Now you like the block?
I really like that. I made everything more readable by making it bigger, and I moved the pause so I could get more some space. And now we will watch it. Oh, maybe. Well, that was a success. Now we can add audio. That would be nice if I could put audio. Let me see this one. How about happy? Like it's happy. Sorry. I think happy tree. No, definitely not. No, where's the happy part? This one. So I'm now gonna watch it with the music on. There. Let's go find and call Mr. Cat. There, now. And that's my stop motion adoption poster. Bye. God bless you.